Okay, session states within AWS. So it's a bit more of an abstract concept than we often talk about. But obviously, when you have auto-scaling, you have multiple instances, you need to work out how do we have a record of who a particular user is, given that their request might hit any one of the servers that we have. Now, you can use sticky sessions. Not a great approach. Obviously doesn't help if you have a server fail, and it doesn't help in terms of scaling out when you need to be able to dynamically distribute data. So, a few ways we can do it. Your database is probably going to be in use anyway. So the first thing you can do is just put session states there. And that's a perfectly fine approach for lower volumes of traffic. It allows you to have shared state storage between all of your instances without really configuring anything extra, because you've already got your database instance there anyway. The next thing you can do is you can use DynamoDB. DynamoDB is great in that it is serverless, so you don't need to set anything up. You only pay for the amount of data and the read and write requests that you're using. It's pretty quick as well. There are some vagaries in terms of the way it works. If you're used to a relational database, as you will get in IDS, then you might need to unlearn some of the things you've learned, but it's a good potential solution. You then have two options which are essentially the same, ElastiCache and MemoryDB, but the way in which they're configured is slightly different. So under the hood, they are both using either Redis or Valkey, which is Amazon's own fork of Redis, or Memcached, which, as the name suggests, is a memory-only database. Using Redis and Valkey, you can actually store data on disk, so you can create snapshots, so sessions don't get lost if your ElastiCache instance disappears. Depending on what you're doing, that might not actually be an issue for you, because you might be having sessions that are coming from ElastiCache but actually backed by your normal database. And then MemoryDB is durable. It always gets written to disk. And yeah, as I say, using Redis/Valkey and is multi-AZ. So that's a higher grade solution that you might use in a higher traffic enterprise grade environment. Here are some notes on all that. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.